In this video, we're making this stuffed omelette, which is great as a side dish and it's very easy to make. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. So first, in an oven tray, take the sausages and the aloo tikki, and you're going to grill these in the oven for 5 minutes on each side, so that is total 10 minutes. You can also shallow fry them if you want to, but I find this easier. And then you're going to let this cool for a few minutes and then chop them up into small pieces. Now in another bowl, take the eggs and sprinkle them with some salt and beat them up. Then you're going to heat some oil in a non-stick pan. Then pour in the eggs. Once they start cooking slightly, you're going to grate some cheese on top. And then top with sausages and aloo tikki. And then drizzle some chili oil on top. You can drizzle as much as you like depending on how spicy you want it. And then using a spatula, you're going to fold the omelette. You don't have to fold it entirely, just 1/3 of the way is enough. And then cover and cook on low flame for 2 minutes till the egg is set and the cheese has melted. And that's it, your stuffed omelette is ready to enjoy. I like to cut mine into 4 pieces. And then you can serve this as a snack or as a side dish with some khichdi or rice and enjoy. This is a really delicious way to add some protein to your meals. I hope you enjoyed the simple recipe. I'll see you with some more. Bye!